Quick question for you. There is one Stellantis North America vehicle that is not up 6% in sales. Year over year, it's up 500%. They sold 6 times as many this year versus last year.
Is it a Charger? Because they only sold like 10 last year.
That you're thinking of the right thing.
Is it a Hornet? Because they only sold like 11 of the Hornets.
Those are 2 good guesses.
It's not going to be from Dodge.
It is from Dodge.
They're still on the lot.
Q3 2024.
Didn't we do this about the Dart?
They sold 1 Dart last year.
A 2016?
2025, they sold 6 Dodge Darts.
To who?
That's more than they sold all last year. I didn't know there were 6
left on lots.
That's 9 years ago. If you don't know, they stopped making the Dart in 2016. Mm-hmm. They've not made the Dart since 2016. So the only way they could have sold 6 new Darts this quarter, they've been sitting there on that lot for the better part of a decade.
They had to be used as dealer. No, because then the dealer purchases them. They can't be new sales if the dealer uses them as rental cars.
Right? They're new sales for the Dodge Dart.
Who?
I don't know.
Who?
When they arrived at those lots, Obama was still in office.
Yeah.
For reference, think of everything that's transpired since then. We had an entire pandemic, 2 American elections since then, presidential elections.
3,
yes. These cars have been on that lot this whole time, just sitting there.
There's been a dozen wars.
Yeah. Wars have started and ended.
They just sat there.
That is a 26, or they might not even be 2016s. They could be 2015, 2014.
I had a 2016 Dart, and I couldn't keep it out of the shop after 37,000 miles. And I work on cars.
So who knows? Here's to selling even more Darts next year.
How?
And the year after that.
With just like an endless supply.
How many of these are left?
How many barns are there in the U.S. to find them in?
We talked about this like early on in the podcast, like a year and a half ago, and I was like, man, that's got to be like
how'd they sell 3 of them? How did they sell 3?
And here we are a year and a half later, and they sold 6 this quarter.
Yeah, that's insane. That's absolutely insane.